Hello there, myself Asanur. Today I'll talk about what is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it means the process of improving your site to increase the visibility when people search for products or services related to our business in Google, Bing, and other search engines. The better visibility your page have in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customer to your business. How does SEO work? Search engines such as Google and Bing use bots to crawl pages on the web, going from site to site, collecting information about those pages and putting them in any index. Think of the index like a giant library where a librarian can pull up a book or web page to help you find exactly what you are looking for at the time. Next, algorithm analyze page in the index, taking into account hundreds of ranking factors or signals to determine the order page should appear in the search results for a given query. In our library analogy, the librarian has read every single book in the library and can tell you exactly which one will have the answer to your question. Our SEO success factors can be considered proxies for aspects of the user experience. It's how search bots estimate exactly how well a website or web page can give the searcher what they're searching for. Unlike paid search ads, you cannot pay search engines to get higher organic search rankings, which means SEO experts have to put in the work. That's where we come in. Our Parodies tablet of SEO factors organize the factors into 6 main categories and weight each based on its overall importance to SEO. For example, content quality and keyword research are key factors of content optimization.